Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to make a voice recording in Audacity using the latest Audacity interface in 2026. When you first open Audacity, you'll see the main recording interface on the screen. At the top, you'll find the recording controls that are used to create and manage audio recordings. The red circular button is the record button, which is used to start a new voice recording. Next to it, you'll see the stop button, which is used to stop the recording. The green play button allows you to listen to your recorded audio. On the right side of the toolbar, you'll notice the audio setup section. This area is used to manage your playback and recording devices. If a microphone is connected to your computer, it can be selected from the recording options. The large area in the middle of the screen is the audio track timeline. After recording, your voice will appear here as a waveform. This waveform helps you see the volume and timing of your recording. You can also use the editing tools to make changes to your recording, remove unwanted sections, or adjust the audio level. Once your recording is complete, you can save it by going to the File menu and choosing Export Audio. Audacity lets you export your recording in popular formats such as MP3 and WAV. Audacity is a simple and powerful tool for recording voice, podcasts, tutorials, and many other types of audio projects. That's how you can make a voice recording in Audacity in 2026. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.